Hey guys, DadTFP here, and I'm with my best bud, Niagara TFP, and today we're gonna make an amazing pizza, thin crust and Chicago-style deep dish. So first, one of the most important part of a good pizza is awesome sauce, and that's what all these ingredients are.
Yeah.
And you'll see a lot of organic stuff.
Yeah, because we love organic stuff for some whatever reason.
Yeah, because it's healthy first. So first, here's our pot. We're gonna start off with warming it up, putting some olive oil.
Hi.
So this is going to be about a tablespoon of olive oil.
Yeah, this is like Italy. This is like to represent our trip to Rome. So can you talk about the Rome trip while we're doing this?
Yeah, so Rome was an amazing vacation. There's a lot of cool things there.
The Colosseum.
The Colosseum was cool. The Pantheon was pretty amazing. The Trevi Fountain was cool. I don't know, just about everything
St.
about
Peter's
Rome was
Basilica.
awesome. God, yeah, I forgot about out of all the things in Rome, probably the most amazing, surprisingly, was St. Peter's Basilica.
Did you think it was going to be the Colosseum?
I thought it was going to be the Colosseum, or maybe the Pantheon, but St. Peter's is beautiful.
And can you do an Italian accent?
St. Peter's is very beautiful. Ah, we like a St. Peter's. All right, so we're going to toast this.
Wait, that doesn't look like mixing.
Yeah, so it's good to kind of toast the.
That's just moving it around.
Get the tomato paste a little toasty.
Look like it. Product of Italy. San Marzano.
In San Marzano, Italian tomatoes, huh?
Product of Italy.
So this is actually from Italy, which is pretty awesome, right?
And then we're going to show you the other ingredients while Dad's mixing this. So here is some organic basil from Trader Joe's. Here is some oregano. Do you love oregano?
Oregano is a very important ingredient in Italian cooking.
Yeah, when we did the beef video, we showed that we were smelling some oregano.
Yeah, that was one of the cool things. When we went to a nearby gardeny place, they had oregano plants. And that was pretty cool.
Oh.
All right, here comes the tomatoes.
And the other stuff is some garlic powder. You love garlic powder, right?
Of course, and now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of oregano.
Wait, that's basil.
Oh, basil, sorry. That's about a teaspoon.
And then some oregano.
Another teaspoon of oregano. Half a teaspoon of garlic salt.
Garlic powder.
Sorry.
That's some onion salt.
Half a teaspoon of
Onion salt.
onion salt.
Trader Joe's.
About half a teaspoon of honey.
You like honey?
Of course, honey's great. A quarter teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan pink sea salt. And that's it. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes.
Those are the last two. So after this, we're going to... So this may not look like pizza, but don't worry, it's going to be pizza pretty soon. So anyways, see you in 20 minutes. I'm just going to mix it up first.
All right.
So see you in 20 minutes.
All right, so as you can see, the pizza sauce is ready to go. Nice and mingled together. It smells amazing. Or in they say in Italian, it smells magnifico. I just made that up. All right, now we're going to work on the dough. All right, so here's the little dough hack.
That sauce right there, it looks like a spaghetti sauce.
It is kind of a spaghetti sauce. It's a little more acidic, I think, typically.
What's that?
So here's a store-bought pizza dough, but I'm going to do a little hack on this. We can make 3 pizzas out of this because we're going to have a deep dish and a couple thin crusts. But I'm going to put a little butter in it to make it just a little better, right? Just a little butter. So whenever you're working with dough, you have to get your hands nice and floury so that the dough doesn't stick to your fingers.
Hands if it sticks to your fingers.
Then it makes kind of a mess. So here's the amount of dough we're going to use for our...
What's this one?
Oh, thank you, bud. This is the amount of dough we're going to use for our first thin crust. Alright, so we're going to roll it a little thin. I got the world's cutest rolling bin. Pretty cool, right?
Is that a very small pizza?
It's a very small pizza. Then we're going to drizzle some butter on it.
That looks like eggs. Does it look like eggs?
It does look a little like eggs, right?
Wait, did you just make an egg?
We're going to fold it in, then fold it some more, then fold it some more, and pretty soon it's going to be this awesome buttery dough combo.
Are you going to make a heart-shaped one? Or maybe a checkerboard-shaped one?
What? That'd be kind of hard.
That would be the best though, to represent this. What if you make a pizza shaped like a pizza?
Oh my god, that would be...
Like what if you take a pizza, like what if you slice up, like what if you take a pizza, not a whole pizza, but then the shape is like a pizza slice?
Oh, that would be kind of cool. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and knead this, flatten it, make it nice and circular. And then when we come back, it'll be on our pizza pan.
Anyways, there you go. See you later.
All right, so here's our dough. We have a thin crust and a deep dish. And so first thing we're going to do is put some, cheese on the deep dish and actually no, we'll do the thin crust first. So here's our awesome pizza sauce. We're going to put it on here. First you go in the middle and you kind of spread it around. Look at that. Oh my god. How does it smell?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's Italian for amazing.
I'm getting really hungry.
You're getting hungry? Me too. This thing looks good. Is that enough sauce, you think, buds? What's next?
What about this one?
So we're going to put we'll put the cheese in first on this one since it's deep dish. But...
Here's the cheese.
Here's our cheese. So we have two different types of cheese. We have the soft cheese and the more harder cheese. First we're going to put the harder cheese over here. Get at that awesome
what kind of cheese is this one?
So I think one is fresh and one is hard. They're both mozzarella.
Oh, I thought it was mayonnaise for a second.
Mayonnaise.
But it's... Yeah. Do you like mozzarella?
I don't like mozzarella. I love a mozzarella.
Are you gonna put some there?
Yeah, let's put some of the good stuff over here too. Yeah. So the cool thing is, this pizza will take about less than 10 minutes to cook.
This is gonna take very long. We're gonna put the sauce here.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. It's at 480 and we'll do it for about 9 minutes.
That doesn't look like a pizza.
Actually, you know what? Let me put a little olive oil on the side so they don't get burnt. And then a little Parmesan cheese on top to give it that extra bit of flavor. All right, goes in the oven. Be back in 10 minutes.
What about this one?
So we'll go ahead and put it on stop for now. And we'll go ahead and show you what that pizza looks like. And I'll get more cheese on this.
So, anyways, there you go. See you in 10 minutes, guys. see Dad is adding more cheese.
All right, this is ready for the sauce.
I just showed you, and it's 6 minutes left until that other pizza's finished. Are you gonna add any toppings, or is it just gonna be a plain pizza?
Just cheese pizza with lots of cheese.
Yeah, my favorite's cheese pizza. If you want to, you can add some toppings.
What are some toppings that you like from time to time?
I don't really eat any toppings. What are some that you like?
I like sausage pizza the best. Kind of like spinach deep dish too.
Maybe when you eat it, you can add those.
That's a great idea.
Are you gonna put anything on top of it? Any more cheese?
Nah, I think this is probably good as is.
This video is already 10 minutes long.
Okay, cool. Well, let's see how it looks in the oven. Getting close. There you go. Timer's just about done. I took it out and look at that. Looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
One pizza done. The other one's in the oven. We're going to give that probably, this one's going to take maybe an hour because it's deep dish. So there you have it, guys. One pizza done. When it cools off, we'll cut a slice and you can watch it.
Anyways, there it is. So we're going to do an hour on here.
There we go. All right, guys, as you can see, here's the thin crust. What do you think? Does it look pretty good?
Yeah.
Looks pretty amazing. Nice and crispy. Has that meltiness to it. There's a little of those cool crust bubbles. And in about 20 seconds, we're going to show you what the deep dish version, and I don't know, I'm pretty excited about the deep dish. How about you?
I don't know. What do you think it would look like?
I think it's going to be in a cast iron pan because that's kind of the pro home way to do it. And it's going to be cheesy, probably oozing a little cheese on the sides. The outside will be nice and crusty, so let's check it out. Cast iron pan, make sure you use a nice, well-insulated glove, and there you go. What do you think?
What do you think of that pizza?
I think it looks pretty amazing. Now we're going to have to let it cool for probably about 20 minutes because it's nice and toasty in there. Oh, so one thing I'll add, instead of doing for 60 minutes, we did for about 40 minutes rather than 60 because I don't want to get it burnt. But this looks pretty good. We're going to let it cool off and it'll be ready to eat in about 20 minutes. All right, there's the awesome pizza ready to go. Here's a thin crust that looks amazing. I'll put it over here because we're going to cut.
It's too big.
Dish. That's too big for the plate. That's good. So this is still a little hot. We're going to put that on here so we can cut it into slices so you guys can see how awesome it is on the inside. I apologize if you guys have never seen an awesome pizza like this before, but that's just a way of living in this kind of household. Look at that thing, huh? Hold on, let me cut it. Who wants to see the slice? Look at that. Creamy cheese, nice crust. We're getting ready to eat it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment down below.
Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.